Okay, we want to talk about how to use Capcut. Now, you move to your file, which you have already downloaded Capcut. You locate your Capcut. Now, okay, I've opened it. It's now loading. Now, you click on New Project now. New Projects. That plus sign, click on it to add new project. Okay. Now, you add your video. These are the video on my you have the video that you've already shot. Okay, let me pick this. Then you click add. After you select your video, it's now loading. Now this is my video. Okay, you click on I want to edit. I click on edit. Under the edit we have speed, animation, style, delete. So if you want to split, that means you want to separate. You click on the area you want to separate. Then I've clicked on the area. You click on split to split. If you want to delete, you click on what you want to delete. Then you go back to delete. You now select after. Okay, I've select delete. You can see. Now we have undo. If you want to undo, that's the area. You can see the arrow which I click on. Now we still have okay, I've undone it. Now speed, if you want to select the speed, how you want it fast or slow. So normal speed is 1, but if you want to make it fast, you can use it. If you want to slow it, you want to use a slow motion, you can reduce it. Or if you want to use fast motion, so that means you increase the what the pitch. Okay, now I'm using 0.9. Okay, okay. I still on the speed. If you want to add animation, you need to connect your internet to use animation. So when you connect your internet, it's going to display some animation which you can use for your editing. Now you still have a volume. That volume you use it to volume your sound. That we still editing. Okay. Then you can see edits beside that films. That edit you use to crop. If you want to crop, use that. You can use that edit to crop. You can use this to rotate. If you want to rotate, you can use this to for mirror. That is, you want to change this where you want to change the side. So you can also use this for that. Okay. Now let's. So that's cropping. I've cropped this one now. Okay, I have undo crop because I don't want to crop. Okay, now mirror. You can see the person on the left hand side change to the right hand, while the person on the right hand change to the left hand. So that's what we call mirror. Okay. The background I first pick will now be on it. Now, okay, let's look at this. I use this one now as my background in Facebook, and this F I use it as my background now. I will now click on overlay. Now, okay, I'll click on overlay to add the video I want to use. Okay, let me pick a video now. Okay, let me pick a video. Okay, I've picked a video now. Add. Now, okay, I've added the video now. I will now click on I will look for, okay, I want to split. What is it that I need now? So click on split. Now this is the remaining one. Okay, I've done that. Okay, let me go back to, okay, now click on video. Now remove, okay, cut out. Sorry, cut out. Now remove background. So now it's, okay, click mark. You can see here you can move any area. You can zoom in. If you want to zoom in, you use your two hands. You use this to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, now this is my new background now. So I've changed the background. Yeah, okay, you click on the mark. Now you can see. So that's now this message you are about to watch. Okay, you can use copy to copy the filter there. You can use it to change to increase your color, to change the color. And here you can use it to adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, the exposure, the shaping. You can use that to edit it. You can see. Okay, as you can see now, I'm using. Okay, so you use it to change the brightness. So that's the function of the filter. Okay. Eh, okay, let's look at the audio. Okay, voice effects. You want to add a voice effects, but when you want to add voice effects, you need to connect to your internet. So we have some effects which you change your voice. Now, okay, let's look at this. We have body. We have still have a body. We have a photo effect. All this you have to connect to your internet if you want to use it. So okay, photo effects as used to change um the pictures of your video. So now I want us to listen that you this video you can edit video with this your phone. Okay, I want to change the size. The normal size is a fit so that you full all pages. So that's what it is. But we have a you have TikTok, we have Instagram base depending on what you want to use. You can see the sign. So now I use fit now because I want it to fit all the page so that it will not be there will not be blank area. So that's what I pick. Okay, color, use color. If you want to want to change the color of it, and that's it work for your background. So if you want to use a color for your background in case you don't fit everything to page. Now you want it to blur. That's you want to change. You want it to blur. That's why I click on the blur. Now you want to add audio now. If you want to add audio, you click on the audio, then you click on sound. Then you move to we have TikTok. The next one is your file. Now you click on your file. Now you want to add your sound now. You want to extract from audio, I mean from video. You can extract from video. Now I want to use from my device. Click on device, then you click on any of the sound you wish to use now. So we have this. You click on the plus to choose the. After you see the sound you want to use, you can move it with your hand. You move it. You can also split in case you want to split. Okay, so you click on where you want to split. When you click on the area, then you split the area you want to use now. Okay, you can also play it to know if the music you are using is in line where you want it to stop. Then you can use your volumes. You can use voice effects to change the effect as I told you earlier. Now okay, you can then reduce noise. Noise, if you click on reduce noise, it's going to reduce some external noise in your video. That's the function of that we have some area where you have some sound which we do not use, so that's the function of reduce noise. Okay, now this extracted we use it to extract from a video. If you want to extract your sound from video, that's the function of this extracted. Then effects, we use that effect. Then use record. If you want to record, you click on record. Then you click on that middle. Now we have back, we have a voice effect, but the one at the center with blue. So you click on it. Then because you click on while using the app. Now anything you now speak now, it will continue recording. You can after counting of when. Okay, now so anything I'm saying, that's the function of that record. Okay, then when you are through, you click on the same place. You click on it. After clicking on it, then you click on the mark. That means you are okay with that. Now, then make sure when you are editing your video, make sure you always play your video so that you know maybe you are it is in line or not. Make sure you always playing it. If there is error, you go to cut it. Now I want to add text now. So click on the text. Your text, type text. Okay, udram. Okay, after type my text, udram. Now you use your style to change the style. We have different style. You can also change the color. Then you can also change, you have the effect. You can also change the effects. Then also we have animation. We have bubble. This under this animation, you effects. Okay, now I click on effect, but I have to connect internet. Likewise, animation, I have to connect internet. Bubble, I have to connect to internet. I want to use it. Okay, when I can move it, you move with your hand. You move it to the area. Then if you want to zoom, you can see the side. We have the other side. We have a multiplication sign, but the other side where we have, so you can use that one to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, now you can. Okay, I want to move it to the area where I need it now. Okay, I've moved it to the area and I want it to be displayed. Now, okay, let's continue. Okay, click on my. I've done with the editing. I've done with this. Okay, now I want you to start. You can move it to the area you want it to start and the area we want you to stop. Now, okay. Now I told you earlier that you must play your video to make sure that there is no error in your video. Okay. Templates in time of test templates, that means the template we have the other one is automatic template. Then if you want to draw, you can click on draw to draw word or anything, any animations on your video. Okay, you can see we've talked about overlay before. We have effects. I've talked about ratio. That's ratio means the size. Okay, now when you are through, you can see the arrow moving up. That arrow uses to save your documents. Now I'm saving my documents. You start counting from 1 to 100. So after it has counted from 1 to 100, it automatically saves on your storage device. So that's how